Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food recipe. Okay, so in this video, it's not so much a raw food as it is a nutritious drink. And so this drink was trending all last year, guys. And to be honest with you, I had no idea. It wasn't until about a month ago when someone brought me this drink from the health food store that I discovered it. All right, so for this drink, it only has 4 ingredients, which is lemon, distilled water, dates, and red pepper. So I'm always pretty curious. I want to research, what are the benefits of it? I found out that drink offered metabolic support. So why would that be important to you? So anytime you consume something that helps metabolic support, it's helping to stabilize sugar, it's helping with weight loss, it's helping with hormonal imbalance. And you guys, you can go research yourself to just find out more benefits of it. But I just wanted to bring it today because I want to show you how easy it is to get nutritious things in your body, guys. So let's dive in and I'm going to show you. So for this recipe, like I mentioned before, you're going to need 1 lemon, 2 dates, but those dates need to be soaked for at least 8 hours. You also are going to need 1/4 cup of cayenne pepper or less, depending on what you can take. And then 2 cups of distilled water. All right, so I'm going to show you how I do this. First thing I do is juice my lemon. So I'm just going to do that. All right, as my lemon is finishing up, the next thing I do is take the lemon, the dates, the red pepper, and the water and dump it all into my blender. So that's what I'm going to do. And make sure with your dates that the seeds are out, okay? Also too, the thing I love about this drink, there's no white sugar, there's no brown sugar. This is just natural. It's naturally sweetened with dates. So it kind of works with your body a little better. Some people, they're diabetic and if with your blood sugar you have issues, then maybe you, instead of 2 dates, maybe 1 date, you want to consult your doctor, because I'm not a doctor or nurse. So you may want to consult them. But the dates work better with your blood than just white sugar and brown sugar. All right, so now I'm going to combine the ingredients and I'm going to blend that. It's really that simple. I'm done. And you guys, if you would like for this to be more clear like a water, you can take your cheesecloth, put it over your cup, and then pour that in so that it catches, I'm going to say, if you want your drink to be a little thinner, if you put it through a cheesecloth, it'll just catch all the chunkier stuff and give you the liquid. So you can see this is it right here. Guys, this is so good. I'm just trying not to gulp it down on film. Guys, I promise you, you're going to love this drink. And like I said, it has many benefits, but don't take my word for it. Go and research it yourself. All right, so if you would change anything, let me know. If you would add anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.